Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, Indian trade with the Gulf countries is expected to hit $175 billion this year, up from $145 billion last year, according to the Minister of Commerce, Industry and Textiles, Anand Sharma, who is in the UAE on a two-day visit. The minister revealed that bilateral trade between India and the UAE for 2011 stood at $71.58 billion. And in 2012, the trade stood close to $74 billion. He urged the UAE to invest more into India and take advantage of the opportunities. Rajan Mittal, the president of Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, also emphasized that India needs a $1 trillion investment into infrastructure in the next 5 years, and that the bulk is expected to be in the form of equity, where foreign direct investment from countries such as the UAE would be welcome. The Nasdaq Dubai is gearing up to launch the first equity market in the Middle East that will be dedicated to small and medium-sized enterprises. According to a local daily, an advisory group has been set up to discuss regulatory models and the trading framework. The Nasdaq Dubai revealed that 72,000 SMEs generate 40% of Dubai's GDP. However, many are held back due to a lack of capital. Off the back of this, experts say that the new equity market will allow for them to carry out IPOs to expand, as well as to allow for money investments to flow through it. The National Investment Corporation has awarded a more than 1 billion dirham contract to Arab Tech Constructions in order to carry out the main development of the Fairmont Abu Dhabi Hotel and serviced apartments. According to a statement under the contract, Arab Tech will build the hotel and apartments and maintain the project for 1 year, as well as maintain electromechanical works for 2 years after completion and delivery. The project is expected to be completed within 30 months. Food sales in the UAE are expected to increase by 36.1% to 38.3 billion dirhams by 2015. And off the back of this, Al Bayadar International is tapping into the retail market through the launch of a revolutionary food packaging solution. The region's F&B market is estimated to be worth around $20 billion, as revealed at the launch of the new production line this morning for the Tower Pack range of containers made here in the UAE. Officials stated that the range required a 15 million dirham investment into the Al Bayadar International's manufacturing facility in the Jebel Ali Free Zone. And the investment is a part of an 80 million dirham outlay aimed at addressing the market's fast-paced growth. The food packaging solution is designed to interlock numerous containers together via a unique screw mechanism, which will provide huge savings on inventory costs, more efficient utilisation of shelf space, and easy access to products for retailers in a safe way.
The UAE mass grocery retail, we call it MGR sector, is one of the Gulf region's largest by value, accounting for 69.2% of the total food and drink market. The value of the UAE's MGR sector is forecast to rise to 27.5 billion dirhams by 2015, when it should account for 73.8% of the overall food and beverage market. And so, therefore, there is indeed a huge potential for growth. And with our Tower Pack range, those forecasts may just even further go up.